Hi guys, and welcome back. Now I'm hoping that the audio is going to come out on this. We'll find out. Right, it is a cold, damp day today. It's not particularly warm. In fact, it's damn cold. But the roads are dry at the moment. Rain stopped about a couple of hours ago, so fingers crossed it's not too bad. So let's go for a quick blast. I'm going to hit the Autobahn, wind her up, because I'm in the mood for blowing the cobwebs away. So I'm going to drop it down a couple of junctions, turn around, come back, and then go and do my shopping. Actually, I'll go up a couple of junctions, I think, instead of going down. I'll head towards Nuremberg and then maybe take Sam and get a washed. Nah, bugger it, let's do Munchen. I like to go real fast. And as a friend said, going around corners and bends, if it ain't got a swing, you ain't doing it right. Right, so there is room for me. There's a car and we'll tow. He can pull over and then let me go. That's good. Man, that just feels so good. There is no better feeling on earth than this, except being with my daughter. Feels so good. What I'm going to do is I am going to go and wash Sam. I will come off at the Regensburg turn off and then jump back onto the Autobahn and then go back up this way. 1,000 meters, so I better start pulling in. I think they've blocked traffic, so I'm going to come off here. And we'll go back this way instead. You can see the clouds, rain laden, awesome. Now people ask why I always position myself this close to the centre line. There's two reasons. One of them is anecdotal, and it harks back to the old UK driving license, where it said tear along the dotted line on the paper part of what used to be the UK licenses. And then the second one is, from here I've got a better view of what's coming. If there's going to be an accident, I've got an exact escape route this side, and I've got an escape route that side, so I'm easy, I'm safe to wherever I want to go, and just make certain I'm positioned correctly. But it also means that I get to overtake a lot. Hopefully the wind buffeting is not giving too much away, and I hope you can hear Sam. Since the service, she's been screaming. She's been back to her demonic self. I love these sweeping roads. Heavy on those new brakes, and wind it up and go, and I'm out. Nice and easy. Mm-hmm.